Hello again, everyone. It's Vince from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for March 4th, 2020. And let's take a quick look at today's markets. Again, another strong rally for equity markets. This after a big win for Joe Biden in the Super Tuesday voting yesterday. The market responded big time. The Dow was higher by 1,173 points, while the S&P 500 finished higher by 126 points. The NASDAQ higher by 334. These are all about 4% moves. And the Russell 2000 up 45 points. So, is that it? The bottom in and we're off to new highs? Could be, but still some resistance overhead that could cause this market to roll back over. The bond market pulled back today, and the yield on the 10-year note spent most of the day below 1%, but did squeak it out at the end here and finished just above 1%. Excuse me. Crude oil down 40 cents or 0.8% ahead of that OPEC meeting, while gold futures down just 3 points today on a bit of a bounce here by the U.S. dollar. Now, after market close, a couple of earnings reports. Marvell came out, Marvell Technologies. They actually beat earnings and are nicely higher. They gained about 6% during the regular session and are up almost 10% after hours, up another $2.21 here so far, while Zoom here, here it is. Zoom Video Communications also beat earnings, but they're getting hurt after hours. They are down $5.80 or about 5% in after hours trading. So let's keep an eye on the markets tomorrow, see if they can recover some more here. The Dow not quite back above the 200-day period moving average, so that's its next hurdle. Let's see if it can overcome that. But that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.